Have an ESTX file from eSignal trading platform you want to apply? These are trading template files for the financial market analysis software. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll explain how to use these eSignal trading template files. I always keep an advanced utility on hand for ESTX files that resist standard opening. I'll introduce you to this master key later in the guide. An ESTX file is a template used by eSignal, a real-time financial data and charting platform for traders. Users create these files to save and reuse specific technical analysis studies, indicators, and chart layouts. This allows for the quick application of complex trading strategies across different financial instruments without manual reconfiguration. The ESTX format is proprietary and likely binary, designed to store a collection of settings, formulas, and references to eSignal's built-in indicators. This structure ensures that the template loads quickly and accurately reproduces the saved analytical environment, encapsulating complex logic in a portable, self-contained file for sharing or personal backup. The developer of eSignal, Iris/Interactive Data, created the original specifications for ESTX. To enable complex features within the file, a dedicated program is necessary. Windows may load the config file in a text editor, but only informed edits should be made. To resolve the application failure, right-click your ESTX file and choose Open With. Check for eSignal and test it first. If it's missing, select another program from the list. We need a successful file association. If you cannot access the ESTX file, no problem. The source is most likely one of three common issues. Let's review this simple breakdown of the culprits and how to quickly check them. First, importing into eSignal. Open eSignal and use File. Then open Template, or right-click on a chart and select Apply Template. Browse to the ESTX file location and select it for import. The platform applies the template configuration to your active chart, restoring all indicators, studies, and visual settings from the original setup. Next, sharing trading setups. Distribute ESTX files to colleagues or trading group members for consistent analysis approaches. Recipients import templates following the same procedure, ensuring everyone uses identical chart configurations. This is valuable for trading teams maintaining consistent analytical methodology across multiple users and accounts. Finally, backing up customizations. Back up ESTX files alongside other eSignal customizations to preserve your trading setup. Locate template files in eSignal's data folder, typically under user profile directories. Regular backups protect against data loss, enabling quick restoration of complex chart configurations when reinstalling or migrating to new computers. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. Instead of relying on a label that might be incorrect, you can use a tool that employs smart recognition to try and find a match based on the actual data inside. When your file is still locked, it means the file's header or structure is truly obscure. Don't waste time. FileMagick is built for this. It opens hundreds of formats and can be found at filemagick.com. If the problem is solved, please show your support by liking and subscribing right now.